Dear Lord, would you bless this kid? Time's getting pretty hectic again, and I ought to be ashamed only calling your name when I can't make sense of this. Cold world, who knew? My heart.
What's good, YouTube? Back here with another one. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I just needed to take a mental break for myself. But today, I'm going to be working on one of my new cars, which is a 2015 Subaru WRX. It's actually one of my dream cars, but that's beside the point right now. But today, I'm going to be changing the plugs. And the reason for that is because it's been bogging and kind of losing power once it gets to about 4,500 RPMs. And so I did some research. I thought it was a boost leak at first, so I checked the charge pipes and make sure there was no vacuum leaks or anything, and that all checked out. And then I thought it was because I needed a tune, so I was just waiting to get the Cobb access port. But yesterday I was just randomly on YouTube and I looked up boost leak or WRX losing power, and I saw that usually at about 50,000 miles on these cars, they need their spark plugs changed because they get carbon buildup and everything. So my car has 53,000 miles, and I'm pretty sure the previous owner did not change the spark plugs, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take a video afterwards to see if I fixed the problem or not, and I'm going to be showing you guys the full process. I'm now outside, got the hood popped and everything. The things you're going to have to move are going to be, you're going to have to take off the cold air intake. You're going to have to undo these two bolts at the top of your ECU and just flip it up. And you're also going to have to move your battery tray, because what you need to get to, they're down here. You can't really see it because nothing's moved, but it's pretty simple. And I will start recording again once I get all of this removed and be able to see the spark plug stuff easier. As you can see, I got the cold air intake off, I got the ECU moved, and I removed the battery and battery tray. This is the spot I was talking about, where it's kind of hard to get to. There's two tins back there on both sides to get the coil packs off. And then obviously you got the spark plugs inside of there, which you have the spark plug socket with the little rubber gasket on the inside just to make things easier. And I'll show you guys what the spark plugs are looking like when I get them out. I now have everything out. I got the coil packs off both sides. I got all 4 plugs out, and like I suspected, all 4 of the plugs are fouled up really bad. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna fix my problem. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup on every single one of them, and even on the porcelain, it's starting to change colors. So I made sure to go and get some new spark plugs. One thing I know about new spark plugs though, make sure that you gap them right, because even when you go to the store they tell you, yeah, they're already gapped, but I already looked at these spark plugs and they weren't gapped right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these plugs in, put everything back together, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm about to start the car. I now finally got everything put back together. Got the plugs gapped to .032. Got the bolts and the spark plugs torqued down to spec. Now the only thing I gotta do is start the car, make sure that it sounds good, idles a little better. I'm guessing it's going to because of how fouled up the plugs are in, but I'll put you guys back here. end it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was informational. You guys got something out of it. Once again, I'm sorry for taking a long break. I just needed to do it for myself. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.